have, you said this has a lot of information on here that changes out.
Yeah, there's like 25 different messages on there that you can get about like the tire pressure monitoring system. That's another safety feature of the vehicle. It'll show you the pressure of each tire.
And this is all-wheel drive, which is kind of essential in Chicago, which we learned
Yes,
before.
this is the all-wheel drive with the limited slip differential on it.
And what does that mean?
It helps prevent any wheel slippage, so it keeps all the wheels turning at the same speed, so one wheel's not spinning while the other one's stationary. So that all-wheel drive comes with that limited slip differential as well.
Now this is turbo, so how quick does this baby go from 0 to 60 in how many seconds?
7.3.
Nice.
Nice.
Essential when you're pulling on the expressway.
Not that we ever speed.
No.
Right, Hope?
60's not speed.
But we do like to
55,
go fast when we have to.
Oh, she just was talking to me.
I love how you have
It
these
past this McDonald's, you're
controls
gonna
in
have
the
to make
back.
a right,
Okay.
And I think I showed this before, but this comes down here. I mean, this is really nice to have.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so you've got for your drinks in the back, and then storage here. So, you know, you're having a sandwich, maybe some sushi, you know, or just you want to put some space between the person that's sitting next to you
And
if
then this is
they
a
have
dual glove
issues.
box, so you can put your paper, your paperwork. I always keep all my oil change stuff in my glove box, your maps and so forth. And on the bottom, it's like a cooled glove box area, so you can put sodas in there, and it cools it through the air conditioning system or the outside temperature in the wintertime. So it's a dual glove box.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
She
Very
knew to
cool.
say that to me because of me having sodas in the car all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
See,
no,
I knew.
seriously.
I knew.
And I try to, like, you know, because I get yelled at if I buy sodas from the drive-thru. But I try to bring like my first one from my fridge, and that would be awesome. So it's always, you can always keep cold soda in your glove compartment. That is really, I would almost say a swear word, but I'm not going to.
No.
It's really pretty cool.
And talk about the spare tire, because there's no spare tire in here, but there's an inflator kit. How does that? Is it like a patch kit?
Yeah, it's kind of like a little patch kit. It's like a compressor. This man earlier told me that he got a flat tire and he had a compressor kit, and he drove on it for 2 months after that. I don't know if that's
Probably not ideal.
Probably
You know.
inappropriate, but
yeah,
that's a man for you.
but
I'm just saying.
but yeah, and it's in the rear cargo area. Like I said, when you go to the static booth, they can show you all those details. You'll see the cargo area, and then underneath it, there's the two bins. So one has a tire inflator kit, and then the other bin is just for your belongings, whatever you have. If you have sports equipment, you know, you're going to the gym or whatever, you can put your stuff in there.
This
or
closes
groceries.
down.
So in the back we have the dual entertainment system.
Which I just closed it down. I didn't know you could do that.
Cool.
So right over there, it's up,
I
and then
lost
you
track
can make
of where
it
we were
close
again.
down.
Did we go past the McDonald's yet?
I
Hold on.
turned it